Welcome. Today we are looking at Geography Paper 2, Section A, 25 marks. Answer all the questions in this section. Question 1A, define the term mining. Mining is the process of extracting mineral substance from the earth crust for commercial purposes. 1B, state 3 forms in which minerals occur. We have bed and seams, veins and lodes, weathering products, alluvial deposits. Distinguish between forestry and forestry. A forest is a large tract of land covered by trees, while forestry is the science of developing and managing forests, including cultivating them. Show 3 factors that influence the distribution of forests. High temperature causes fast growth of trees, while low temperature causes low growth. Dense forests are found on the windward slopes of mountains because they are wetter than the leeward slopes, and they start at a lower level than on the leeward slopes. In temperate regions, slopes facing equator have dense forests because they are warmer. There are dense forests where there is heavy precipitation, while there is less forest cover consisting of stunted trees in areas with little precipitation. Deep soils support luxuriant growth of trees, while shallow and infertile soils have stunted trees. What is horticulture? It is intensive cultivation of fruits, vegetables, and flowers for sale. Give 3 economic factors that influence agricultural activities. Availability of capital, market prices of products, availability of accessible transport facilities, competition from other world producers, government subsidies on cost of inputs, government taxation policy. Name 2 places where limestone is found in Kenya. We have Bamburi in Mombasa County. Bamburi in Mombasa County, Athi River in Kajiado County, some parts of West Pokot County, some parts of Wajir County, some parts of Homa Bay County. List 3 uses of soda ash. Raw material in the manufacture of glasses and bottles, manufacture of soap and detergents, refining petroleum, water softener and treatment works, desulfurizing steel, paper making industries, textile industries. What is a dead ground? It is an area of a photograph hidden from the view of a camera by an object. Or you can say it is part of a photograph hidden from the view of a camera by an object. Mention 3 uses of a photograph. To show actual objects as they appear in real life. Vertical aerial photographs are used in drawing maps to study physical features and their distribution in an area, to deduce human activities, climate and vegetation, provides important information on land use and geography of an area, to bring unfamiliar and distant landscapes in a classroom, to create awareness and understanding of geographical phenomena. Section B, 75 marks. Answer question 6 and any other 2 questions. Study the photograph below and use it to answer question A. Identify the type of photograph shown above. Ground oblique photograph. Describe the characteristics of the forest shown on the photograph. The forest has mixed species of trees. The forest in the foreground is dense. That is, trees are close to each other. The forest in the foreground is natural. The forest has some shrubs. Trees are of different height. Some part of the forest has been cleared. Draw a rectangle measuring 15 centimeters by 10 centimeters. On it, sketch and label 5 main features shown on the photograph. This is how you draw. So here is the cloud, sky, hills, bridges, road, valleys, forest, shrubs or bush. Name 2 indigenous softwood tree species in Kenya. We have podo, cedar, and African pencil. Explain 3 problems facing forestry in Kenya. Rapid population increase has led to encroachment into the forested areas for settlement or even agriculture, leading to reduction of land under forest cover. Illegal logging by unlicensed timber merchants have led to depletion of indigenous tree species, leading to their extinction. Prolonged drought has led to death of some tree species. Attack by pests or diseases have caused the destruction of valuable tree species. Occurrence of forest fires have led to destruction of large areas under forest cover. Excision of forest land by the government for settlement. That is, human activities have led to the reduction of land under forest cover. State 3 factors favoring the development of softwood forests in Canada. The low temperature, steep landscape in British Columbia, low population density, heavy rainfall on windward slopes of mountain ranges of British Columbia. Extensive land in Canada is available for forests to grow. Give 4 differences between softwood forests in Kenya and Canada. In Kenya, harvesting of trees is done throughout the year, while in Canada, harvesting is done in winter and early spring. In Kenya, harvesting is done selectively, while in Canada, discriminative cutting of trees is done. In Kenya, forest products are mainly sold locally, while in Canada, they are mainly for export species. Most Kenyan softwoods are exotic, while in Canada, softwoods are indigenous. Areas where they are found. Another difference is on the areas where they are found. Most softwood forests are found mainly in the highlands, while in Canada, they are found both in the highlands and lowlands. Maturity. Softwoods in Kenya grow faster due to the warm tropical climate, while softwoods take longer to reach maturity due to the cool temperature climate in Canada. Study the table below and answer questions that follow. Oil consumption in Kenya in the year 2010. Economic sector, agriculture, aviation, commercial industry, power, rail, road, shipping, others, the total, that is percentage of oil consumed. Draw a simple pie chart to represent the information above. This is the pie chart. We have the road, which has the highest percentage. We have also here the aviation, commercial, shipping, others, power, rail, and agriculture. What is the percentage of oil used in transport in the year 2010? So the percentage of transport sector is equals to aviation plus rail plus road plus shipping. You get 63%. Mention two demerits of using the above methods to represent data. Difficult to interpret if segments are many. Tedious due to a lot of mathematical calculations and marking out of angles involved. Can't be used to show change over a certain period. Small quantities or decimals may not be easily represented. List 3 countries where oil is produced in the Middle East. We have Saudi Arabia, Iraq, United Arab Emirates, Syria, Kuwait, and Iran. Explain 3 contributions of oil in economy of the countries in the Middle East. It generates a lot of revenue through export and also from royalties. It creates employment with high income, hence raising the standards of living. It stimulates growth and development of urban centers. It creates very rich communities such as kingdoms, improving their living standards. Describe how oil is formed. Organic materials are transported to lowland and deposited in layers. With time, the layers accumulate to form sedimentary rocks. Great heat and pressure is exerted on rocks, changing into petroleum. Eventually, petroleum is squeezed out through porous rocks. Oil is then trapped in places between the rocks. Water and gas may also be trapped in the rock layers. Question 8a. Name 2 wheat growing countries in Kenya. We have Uasin Gishu, Nakuru, Narok, Laikipia, Trans Nzoia, and Nyandarua. State 5 conditions favoring wheat farming in Kenya.